activate Revolut physical card. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to activate your Revolut physical card. So first of all, just open your Revolut account in your device. Just install the application in your device if you are using the app version of the Revolut account, or you can also follow these steps in the web version of the Revolut account. And once you're there in your account, just simply click on the three dot menu icon from the top right corner of the screen. And over here you will be able to see a bunch of options. Just tap on the daily finances options from the list given below, and under the drop down menu just select the cards option there. So in order to activate your physical card in the Revolut account, you must order the card under your name, and you must have already verified your identity in the Revolut account while ordering your card. And then just go to the card section, just select the card of your choice that you would want to activate, and if you don't have the card, you can get yourself one card by clicking on get my card, and you will be able to get the card of your choice as per your liking. And once you get your card and verify your identity, just simply click on activate now when you receive your card in the web version or the mobile application, and you will be able to see the option called activate now. Just simply tap on it, and after that you need to chip and pin transaction with your new card. And after that, in order to activate your card successfully, you need to go to the ATM nearby your location, and after that withdraw some cash from there. And this way you will be able to activate your Revolut card successfully. So that's how you will be able to activate your Revolut physical card. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.